I ran for 30 minutes every day and it changed my life. I went from being a couch potato to running every day. I see that look you're giving me. I didn't think it was possible either until one day I hit the 5K mark. It all started when a friend invited me to go for a short 1-mile run with her. It doesn't sound like much, but it's a lot when you're in your late 20s and haven't run since gym class back in school. Not to mention the bare minimum energy and weight gain that adulthood seemed to hit me with. But first, I wanted to know if running for 30 minutes every day is safe. So I did some research and found that the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services recommends that running 30 minutes a day is good for your overall health, provided you run 30 minutes a day, 3 to 5 days a week. Also, to avoid an injury, make sure you have appropriate running shoes and change out your shoes often. Gradually increase the number of miles you run each week. Warm up before you run and stretch after your run. And most importantly, run with proper form. So, after getting myself a new pair of running shoes, my journey began. I kept a daily log of my progress along the way, and here's what happened to my body. Number 1, I felt happier throughout the day. I noticed that I was generally in a great mood, especially on the days I ran. Simply put, running makes you feel good, even if you can't do it for that long. Just 10 minutes of aerobic exercise releases a large amount of the mood-boosting endorphins responsible for a runner's high, so a quick lunchtime run can make you feel just as good as a longer one. The benefits aren't just short-term either. Regular running has countless long-term effects on your mental health, from decreased stress and anxiety to improved energy levels. If you don't trust the research, just try out short, regular runs for a month and see the effects yourself. Number 2, I started sleeping better. I did some research and found that according to experts from Johns Hopkins, there is solid evidence that exercise does, in fact, help you fall asleep more quickly and improves sleep quality. An article in the American Journal of Lifestyle Exercise says that the exercise-sleep connection goes both ways. The more you exercise, the more you need quality sleep. Also, the worse your sleep habits, the less likely you are to exercise regularly. Just make sure not to go for a run too close to your bedtime. Number 3, my legs became stronger. So after running regularly for a week, I started noticing muscle definition in my legs. From my online research on the safety of running every day, I can also conclude that as long as you are properly fueling your body with enough calories and protein to support your training, running can help build muscle and increase strength. As a total body workout, running strengthens your legs, core, and upper body. Before we go any further, if you have enjoyed this video so far, please go ahead and hit the like button. Your one like will go a long way in helping others discover this video. So thank you for that, and now let's get back to the video. Number 4, I started losing weight. Because it involves continuously moving your entire body weight, running burns more calories than most other activities. And you don't have to run fast to achieve maximum weight loss. You get almost as much from running slow, just that you'll have to run a little longer. So if fat loss or weight loss is your goal, running can contribute to creating the calorie deficit you need to burn fat. Now, since we are on the topic of losing weight, after watching this video, don't forget to collect your free ebook from the description below. This ebook will help you keep your health in tip-top shape. And now, back to the video. Number 5. Running improved my cardiovascular health. If you've ever run to catch a subway, child, or your dog, and felt breathless immediately afterward, it probably comes as no surprise that running works your cardiovascular system. When you run, your heart rate increases to pump more blood, oxygen, and nutrients to your working muscles. Over time, with consistent running, your heart and lungs adapt. Your heart becomes stronger, enabling it to pump a greater volume of blood per beat, and your lungs become more powerful and capable of taking in more air per breath. As your cardiovascular efficiency improves, you are able to run faster with less effort. Number 6. Running improves cognitive function and reduces cognitive decline and Alzheimer's. This is the newest and most unexpected area of health benefits produced by running, but it makes complete sense. Running raises heart rate and blood flow. That includes oxygen-rich blood being pushed to the brain. It's hard to imagine this wouldn't be a very good thing for your brain. Number 7. Running improves glucose regulation and lowers the risk of diabetes and prediabetes. Running and other vigorous exercises can substantially improve the blood glucose level. According to the American Diabetes Association, exercise can prevent or reduce type 2 diabetes, and exercise can benefit those with type 1 diabetes. It can also prevent those with prediabetes from developing into full-fledged type 2 diabetes. Number 8. Running made me look better, feel stronger. I ran 6 days a week for 30 minutes, and the internal health benefits very quickly started to show on the surface too. I saw effects like more defined muscles, loss of belly fat, and clearer, healthier skin. My muscles were stronger, and my improved cardio fitness allowed me to try things I perhaps couldn't before. And all of this means more confidence too. The bottom line is that even when you think you don't have that much time, there's no excuse not to get out for a quick 30-minute run. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then give it a thumbs up. And now go ahead and watch any of the 2 videos on your screen to learn more about your health and wellness.